dear students, and this is my third video on the session 12 Lithuania one act play. For Mangalore University third semester BA. Yes, here we have a beautiful photograph of our playwright Rupert Brooke. Recap. Before going to the session, we will have a recap of the previous video. Poverty-stricken family. Yes, we have seen the family, the poor family in Lithuania. The family had the father, the mother, and the daughter. And we have also heard that there was a son who left the house long back. When he was 13-year-old, he ran away. And the village life in Lithuania. So because it's very difficult to live there, they were poor people, poor family, and it is very difficult for them to fulfill their day-to-day needs. To fill their stomach, it's very difficult for them. The father of the family, he worked very hard in the field. Along with him, the daughter, she also joined hands with him to work in the field. That's why she lost her womanlyhood. Okay, she was very strong, very hard, and she misses the commonness of the girl. Poverty, we have seen in the previous video that ready to do any kind of a heinous act, crime, to get rid of poverty, because in the whole world there is one particular problem, the poverty, the stomach. To fulfill the stomach, we can do anything at all. But the poor people, to fill their stomach, they can do any kind of a crime. Okay? Yes. Learning objectives. In this session, what we learn? Students are introduced to the character, the stranger. Here, there's a new characters coming out, and students will come to know the differences between rich and the poor, because the stranger who comes here, he is the rich man and the family is poor. So we can naturally see the difference between the poor and the rich here, because how he behaves and how he deals with the money matters, and what about this family, what they talk, what they think. Okay, yeah. Session outcomes. Students are able to understand the main content of the play. Yes, generally we are introduced to content, what is there in the play. Next thing, students are provoked to read and know about further incidents. Yeah. Content, references, and MCQs. At the end of the explanation, we have the 5 MCQs questions. Listen carefully this session and then try to answer the multiple choice questions. Yes. One evening, stranger comes to their home. We know this is a poor family. We know we have heard about their problems. Okay. He has come there to take rest for a night, because he traveled very long in the wood. Traveling in a wood, it is a very difficult thing. He traveled in a tramp, and then the whole body had a pain. He got tired, so he wanted rest. So he chose this house. He came here for asking for a night's rest. Okay, I want to stay for a night because I am tired. I will pay you. Okay, by paying the money, I wanted to stay here. The mother in the family and the daughter, they were at the time of the entry of the stranger. They accepted it because the stranger, if he stays for a night, he will pay some amount. That money will help them to deal with the requirements of the family. They can fulfill by that money. Yes, this is mother. She is thinking, caring about the family. The stranger feels pity at the poverty of the family. It's natural when a rich man comes to this family, whatever he see in the house, their difficulties, he feels pity. Oh, and then some kind of differences we can see between the rich and the poor here. And he also has shown them lot of money. In his bag he carries lot of money. Along with money, he also has shown them the gold watch. He had a gold watch, very precious gold watch. He has shown them, and then there is no clock in the house. Okay, there is no clock in the house. How can they count the time? That's why he gave them the gold watch. Okay, I will hang this watch here. You will look at the time. You can take help with this watch. Then I will go to sleep. Okay, this is what he has said. But this is how he was showing the poor family the richness, the gold watch. Okay, he tells the girl, the city life is wonderful. He creates some kind of a provocation to the girl because you are a beautiful girl staying in this village, okay, and which is far away from the city life. So the girls like you should live in the cities and had a fun in the cities. This is what he said because she is working in the field and she is not enjoying the what we can say luxuries or the beauty of a city life, because in the city the girls who are of the same age, they can enjoy, they had a fun in the cities and they have boyfriends, but here there is no boyfriend as he said, and you can come to city, I can enjoy. But the girl, she thought that this fellow had a bad character, he's looking at me in a very different way. Actually, he's ogling at her. So she thought he was ogling at her. Okay. The stranger is very rich. Okay. Repeat, he shows a lot of wealth to the family. Going before to the bed, he gives his golden watch to the family so that they can keep count of time. He is very tired and soon falls asleep because he had a long travel. So suddenly what happened? No, when he was discussing with the mother and the daughter, and then maybe we may think that he was flirting with the girl. This is what he said to the girl, you are very beautiful, come to city, you will have a wonderful life there, you have a fun in the city. Okay. Then he asked about the master of the house, the man of the house. He was missing. Then the man comes there on the stage. Okay, he had a discussion with the man. Oh, you are the master of the house. Okay. Then because some kind of a mockery in his attitude we can observe. He is the master of the house, the father, and still the family is very poor. He is working very hard day and night, but they cannot fulfill the needs of the family. Right. Then he says goodbye and he went to sleep. The family naturally tempted to see the wealth of this stranger because in his bag there is a lot of money, currency, notes are there. He left the bag there itself. They think that they can pass life in comfort in the city if they rob him of his wealth. This is poverty. Think. Ethics, they don't have value before hunger. Because the cold weather, more than hunger, they are suffering from cold weather. That's why the three members of the family, they have the same thought. Look at the thing, what they said. They can pass a life in comfort in the city because to live in a city is very difficult without a money. And they have to stay here in the cold weather like other people of the village. If they have money, if they rob the strangers well, they can go to cities and lead a comfortable life with that money. The father suspects that the stranger is a thief. Okay, the money, whatever he had, that is not his money. So, this thief who is roaming about with so much money, naturally, no one roam or walk or travel in a wood with a lot of money. Why should he travel with so much of a money? So, he is a thief. Then here they were defending themselves. He is a thief. If we rob his money, it is not a crime. They are defending their actions. If we rob them, it is not a crime because he is also a thief and we are stealing his money. Right. The mother and the daughter suggest that they should kill the stranger. See, mother and daughter. Oh my God. What they are thinking? Because the poverty had made this. The daughter and the mother, the women characters in the play, women characters in the house, they are thinking, why shouldn't we kill the stranger and we will have his gold watch and his money? We can live a comfortable life in the city. So this is a heinous actions they are thinking about the poverty. It's inevitable for them. Yes. So here I conclude with the explanation of this session. So what we learned? Yes, heinous act. In the introduction we learned that it is a heinous act. What is that heinous act? They are ready to rob initially. Then mother and the daughter, they were thinking about killing the stranger. How difficult it is. Okay. Yes, let us go to multiple choice questions. First question. Initially, why does the stranger come to this family's house? Okay, why he came here? Because he's a stranger. Option A, to rob them. Okay, just think about the answers. To rob them. What they have in their family. What they have in the house to rob. He may not get anything at all. Option B, to kill them. If he kill them, what he will get? Option C, to give surprise. Okay, the stranger wanted to give the surprise to the family. What kind of a surprise? Okay. D, to take a rest for the night. So he came here to take a rest for the night. Okay. Answer the question depending upon what you have learned in this session. Okay, exclusively in this session. Answer is yes, D, to take rest for the night, because he traveled around the wood in tramp, so he got tired, so he found this house as he said the story, so he wanted rest here. He will pay. Okay, next question. What was the first impression of the stranger when the stranger enters the house? By looking at the house, inside the house and the family members, what he get? The impression. First one, A, pity over the poverty of the family, disgusted over the greedy members of the family, surprised after seeing his family members, excited after seeing his mother. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, option A, pity over the poverty of the family. Okay, next one. Why did the stranger give his golden watch to the family? Okay, option A, to keep it safely. Option B, it was a rent for the night stay, gold watch. C, they can keep count of time. D, gift to the family. Okay, a stranger, wow, why he has given his golden watch to them? These are the four reasons. And what is the correct one? Yes, correct. Option C, they can keep a count of time. That's why he has given the watch to the family. Option 4, who suspected the stranger as a thief? Okay, who suspected? So we are introduced to mother, father, and a daughter, and then here's a new one. Okay, but I have given options here to introduce to the characters here. Think only of the three options A, B, C. So what is the correct answer? Yes, B, the father. Father suspect that he is a thief because he had a lot of money. Nobody roam around in the world, okay, holding such a great amount because he's a thief. Thieves only roam like this, having a lot of money. Why should he come here in the world? Yes, answer is the father. The father suspects. The last question here, what was the suggestion given by the mother and the daughter? What was the suggestion? Because they were in a poverty and they were suffering from chill weather, the cold weather in this season. Other people in the village, they go to city to escape from the coldness. They can enjoy the life in the city, but they were poor, so they were living in the village itself. And the suggestion given by the mother and the daughter, what? They can call the police because he's a thief. B, they should rob the stranger because he had a lot of money. C, they should kill the stranger. D, they would throw him out of the house because he was ogling at the girl. Okay, he was flirting with the girl. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, correct. Option C, mother and daughter, they suggested that they should kill the stranger. Nobody will come to know because when he entered the house, it was too late. Nobody has seen when the stranger entered because if we kill him, nobody could doubt us. We killed him. Okay, we will finish him, then we will have a comfortable life in the city. This is what they thought. Okay, here I conclude this session. Okay, so thank you very much. We will see in the next session. Okay, goodbye.